Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video, we're making lemonade with a raspberry twist. The first thing I'm going to do to make our lemonade is squeeze our lemons. I have my lemonade pitcher, and to it, I'm going to add my fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of simple syrup, and 4 cups of water. And this is ready to be poured over ice and enjoyed. To make our raspberry twist, I have a small pan, and in it is a half a pound of frozen raspberries. To the raspberries, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to take this to the stove and simmer it to break apart the raspberries. I have our raspberries on the stove. I'm going to turn the heat to medium and bring the mixture to a simmer. I have a small bowl and my fine sieve. I'm just going to push it through and get rid of the seeds. I have our lemonade in a nice glass of ice. Let's give it a taste. Oh, nice and tart with a little bit of sweetness. Let's add some of our raspberry twist. Ooh, nice, refreshing, and delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make lemonade with a raspberry twist. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.